This YoLink smart power fail alarm makes it easy to check on your home's electrical status from anywhere through a straightforward mobile app with no ongoing subscription fees. When the power goes out, it can alert you quickly with phone notifications, email, text messages, and even optional automated calls so you are not caught off guard. The unit itself has a very loud built-in siren and bright indicator lights that trigger on power loss, giving you a clear local warning even if your phone is not nearby. Its long-range wireless technology can also link with separate siren units across a large property, so you can hear an alert from far away or in detached buildings. Because it ties into the broader YoLink ecosystem, you can integrate this alarm with other smart security, environmental, and power devices for a more complete home protection setup. The required YoLink hub and included batteries keep the system reliable and low maintenance, making it a practical choice for homeowners who want dependable power outage alerts.